In this tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to make equations, how to input equations for this rod thread here. Initially, let's open the equation manager. Add equation. Select this vice body here. Change transparency. Select this rod thread. Change transparency. Double click. Add equations. Select the diameter of the rod thread. Global variables, select width times parentheses 16/50. Select the handle. Select change transparency. Here what I'm looking for is the length of this rod thread, but I cannot find it from here, so I have to select OK and go back to the sketch. Rod thread. Here, expanded. Revolved Boss. Sketch. Edit sketch. Oh, it doesn't has one, so I need to give a dimension. Okay. Select edit sketch, exit sketch, edit component to exit the component. Double click again. Perfect. Equations. Add equation. Global variables. Select length times parentheses 86.5 over 125. Perfect. Okay. Select the handle, change transparency, same with the vice body. The next tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to input equations for these holes here. Thanks for watching, see you next time.